Hello children, I welcome you all again. Today I will take one more analytical paragraph for 10th standard CBSE board. What is analytical paragraph? As we all know, it is analyzing the given information and writing the same information in your own words. And the word limit is 100 to 150. And one more thing, you should not give any extra information. Now I'll read the question for you. A major global issue that is affecting everything nowadays: energy, food, health, resources, wellness, and much more is sustainability. Sustainability का मतलब क्या है? To exist in this nature and for the future generation, whether they have enough food, water, and land and all the modern facilities to live, whether we are transferring it and do we have sufficiently. That's called sustainability, coexisting with the nature. So sustainability is a main topic here, so we have to underline the main words. Our whole future depends upon sustainable development. Write an analytical paragraph on the topic Sustainability Challenge. That's a topic for you. Sustainability Challenge. Stating the ways to promote that's also important. Promote development and its effect on the society. You can take help from the picture given below. Can you see the picture? Yeah, it is too small, but still I'll read it for you. The first one shows no poverty. Second one is zero hunger. And third one is good health and well-being. Fourth one is quality education. Fifth one is gender equality. Sixth one is clean water and sanitation. Seventh one is affordable and clean energy. Eighth one is decent work and economic growth. Ninth one is industry, innovations and infrastructure. 10th one is reduced inequalities. 11th one is sustainable cities and communities. 12th one is responsible consumption and production. 13th one is climate action. 14th one is life below water. 15th one is life on land. 16th one is peace, justice and strong institutions. 17th one is partnership for the goals. So these are the points that you have to cover in order to, is it clear? Yeah, in order to write your analytical paragraph. So I told sustainability क्या है? जिंदा रहना. हम भी जिंदा रहना है. आगे जो जनरेशन्स आ रहे हैं उनके लिए भी पानी, कपड़ा, मकान, रोटी सब चाहिए, है ना? तो हम स्टेप्स नहीं लेंगे, प्रिजर्व नहीं करेंगे, प्रोडक्शन नहीं करेंगे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं करेंगे तो आगे वाले जनरेशन को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. एग्रीकल्चर नहीं करेंगे, हमको इनोवेशंस नहीं, इन्वेंशंस, मेथड्स नहीं फॉलो करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सस्टेनेबल चैलेंज. तो ये करते व्हेन वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस डेवलपमेंट्स, व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस दैट वी फेस? फर्स्ट थिंग, मेन प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया इज पॉपुलेशन हुआ, आबादी. Population, because of population what happens? Food supply is less, isn't it? And there is, so our aim should be for zero hunger. देखिए, poverty नहीं होना चाहिए, ये zero hungry, कोई भी भूख से नहीं मरना चाहिए. These are the sustainable challenges that these are the ways to promote sustainable development. आगे हमको एग्जिस्ट करने के लिए ये होना चाहिए. कोई भी हो इंसान को पानी, कपड़ा, बिना पानी, बिना फूड के मरना नहीं चाहिए. So that's the sustainable thing that we are talking. And next comes education is very important. Only then he can, shine in his life. Then equality भी होना चाहिए. Boy and girl or in the workplace, everyone should be treated equally with equal pay. And next, clean drinking water वो भी समस्या है. In interior places, there is an estimation that in the next 2025 every second person will not get safe drinking water. इतना contamination हो रहा है अभी, because environment is a main part of sustainable development. Environment भी है, climate भी है, और we humans. And what steps we can take? तो एक काम कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए फर्स्ट पॉइंट्स लिख लीजिए. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हाट यू कैन डू. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, भूख मिटाने के लिए क्या करेंगे. बिकॉज पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल, population is increasing and we need production should be there, isn't it? Proper production. मैं इधर लिख रही. First you have to make brainstorming. Proper production होना चाहिए. Do you know that even proper production is done, उसके बाद वो distribution होता है, हर जगह वो distribute होता है. कितना food, how much food is wasted, So we have to cut down the food wastage, cut down food wastage. उसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning? Because of this, rich are always rich, poor are always poor. In India, around 30% of the children in the world, 30% or 34% of the children are under 5 years. They don't get proper food. They are malnutrition because they are very below the poverty line. तो क्या हो रहा है, जो रिच है उनके पास पैसे हैं and they eat up to their wish and whim and they waste food also. So there are people who don't get food. So ये inequality हुआ. This will lead to economic imbalance, isn't it? So इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं हम? Today we can take a pledge that we will not waste food, isn't it? So if we don't waste that food can be used in some other way. So don't waste food. So that is also a point where we can help in sustainable development in future by not wasting the food. Waste नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, equality आ जाएगी. It will equalize or help in the economic development. Production में बहुत change आएगा. Because only if I am not doing, if the whole billion people or million people who are living, they are doing this sincerely, so food wastage is avoided. Third one क्या कर सकते, what can we do? Waste management. This is also a very important point. Some cities, even if they are big metro cities, waste is dumped everywhere, leading to unhygienic conditions and health problems. So waste material management बहुत important है. See, we have green tubs and blue tubs for wet and dry. So that is really helping us, because in future our environment will not be polluted. We segregate, which we can reuse, recycle and reduce. These are the 3 mantras which we can use. ये यूज़ करने से क्या होगा, आगे वाले जनरेशन के लिए अच्छा एक एनवायरनमेंट हम तैयार कर सकते हैं, even for us to live, isn't it? First thing is plastic. We can't throw plastics here and there. So by disposing in the correct waste box, what happens? Yeah, plastic and the even food waste, जो हमारे एक घर से एवरीडे 1 किलो बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट निकलता है, in the form of vegetable waste, fruits waste. And this waste people can collect, and in bulk they can transform them into bionutrients. बायोन्यूट्रिएंट्स कर सकते हैं जो फार्मास्यूटिकल्स और मेडिसिन्स में यूज़ हो सकता है. सॉरी. and therefore we are recycling everything, isn't it? So these things we can do for sustainable challenge or steps to. सो इसमें ये सब कवर हो रहा है, ये स्टेप लेंगे. हमारा चैलेंज क्या है ये एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ? वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्टेप्स टू वेज टू प्रमोट. सो दीज वेज वी कैन प्रमोट these points. So let me read the passage that I have written for you. So I have given a title, Challenges to Sustainable Development. In the 21st century, sustainability refers to the capacity for the biosphere and the human civilization to coexist constantly. हम nature के साथ रहना है, isn't it? And we need nature and nature also need us. Similarly, so to coexist constantly, एक दिन के लिए, 2 दिन के लिए, constantly means ever long lasting. Future generations के लिए भी to coexist we need some sustainability. That capacity we should have. So how we can change what is available, how we can preserve and protect what is available. For example, हमारा natural resources, the sun, the wind, that we can use because they are renewable energy. इसमें फ़ायदा ही है और it is not polluting the air. So let us see. The universal sustainable challenges are food, energy, sorry, this is energy, food, health, resources, that is natural resources, health, etc. The rapid growth of population, rising challenges like arable land, food production, drinking water, health and education, poverty and inequality and lack of clean drinking water, ecosystem and fuel runouts. These are some of the challenges हो सकते हैं. These are some of the challenges of sustainability. अच्छा health medicine नहीं होना, okay? Drinking water नहीं होना. These are some challenges. So what is the answer for this? So few steps I have written, just see. Judicious use of natural resources like trees and minerals and renewable sources. So first line I have told about the natural resources. Judicious use, उसे भी overuse, not overusing, which we require. Use of friendly resources, source of energy such as LPG, CGN, buses to reduce carbon dioxide and contribute affordable and clean energy. Climate actions we can control because of using this friendly, things. And support, this will thereby support life both on water and in land by not using polluting the environment. Each and every person must avoid wastage of food to attain zero hunger and right consumption, production and distribution. It is estimated that 38.4% children under 5 are malnutrition globally. Bioactive nutrients extracted from the food waste promises industry innovation. Reduce, reuse and recycle are the 3 mantras that enhance economic growth and work goals. Impartial and quality education. देखिए, impartial, that means giving good education only to few. No partiality. Impartial and quality education, whether it's a government school or a private school, everywhere the quality of education should be there. Only then that leads to gender equality, peace, justice and partnership goals for our incredible country, because our country is blessed already and we have to join hands with our nature so that we sustain, so that we live along with it. So sustainability greatly depends on the present citizens of the world. So we are living in this world, so it depends on our responsibility, and it's our thought, what is our mindset, how we think, what we do. it depends on that. Okay, 100 people are working for managing the waste and one person is not following. That will really create an imbalance. So sustainable is a very big challenge in the present situation. Sustainability, जीवित रहना, कैसा जीवित रहे, इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. So it begins from every house, every person. Okay children, so this is also an analytical paragraph. This is also an analytical paragraph. Okay, thank you. I think you should have understood this analytical paragraph which is being written. And मैंने बाहर से कुछ भी include नहीं किया है. Only one strategy I have, one data I have given. Apart from that, everything I have written from the given information. So ऐसा भी analytical paragraph आ सकता है. Or you can get that line graph or paragraph and this has a choice. एक लिख सकते हो, which you are comfortable you can write. Okay, thank you.